Hey, good morning. I'm Eddie Sams, the regional manager for WireCrafters here in the Midwest, and I'm with Mike Hudak with one of our top dealers out of the Ohio area, Conveyor Caster, and they've got a wonderful project here at National Guard Air Force Base. 144 TA-style lockers, about 26 high security cages.
Thanks for making it happen. This whole project, as you can hear the noise, is still ongoing. Happened because you guys asked us to help out a client in the area that was struggling with getting some numbers in on this project. It started in 2022. Here we are in 2025 and almost finishing up. Like you said, we have all two-tier lockers here for the National Guard, three-point locking system. They asked to have a coat rod in here and a hook with some cages so that keeps everything locked and loaded from them. Otherwise, you know, we talked about the cages. Each division is going to have their own cage. It's 10 foot tall. We're adding some ceilings to it for some security. And then inside they had a vault area, which is going to hold all the ammunition in different stages. So in all, the project is really, it started last year in the summer, where it's almost a year long and getting to this point. It's been, as I said before, it's been very challenging, but it's been a great time working with WireCrafters and Matt Ecken and making sure that all the cutouts are in the right spot. You know, it takes an army, as they say, to get things done. And without, you know, my support from Brian Newton on the engineering side and coming out doing all these measurements of especially the cutouts, this wouldn't turn out this way. And as our general contractor says, the national job is his customer, and it was our job, WireCrafters' job, to make sure that we make everybody look good on this one. So couldn't have come out any better. I'm very pleased with what WireCrafters presented to us. And hopefully as you guys look through it, you guys see the value in what WireCrafters can do for others.
You know, we can't thank you guys enough. You know, we lean on you guys for just about everything that happens up in the Midwest, especially in the Ohio area and some other outlying areas. But this is why we need great dealers like Mike and Conveyor and Caster, not just in the Midwest, but all over the United States. So if you're a WireCrafter, if you're looking to sell some wire partition, make sure you give us a ring.